clinical solution. I'm going to try it because I've been having some issues with my skin. So this will be my day 1 of the clinical solution. I know that I should have been and tried it, but I was a little skeptical, to be honest, but I'm ready to just retinize my skin with the clear pollution, the 0.5 retinol, and the Calm Restore facial milk. And I'll be doing this for at least 6 weeks. So this is my week number 1. Week number 1, you just need to take one little small pea-sized pump. Pea-sized pump. And you have to dilute it with the facial milk. So this is day 1. And this is, you do it once a week. So I'll be coming back next week and doing it again. So it really feels great. Oh, it feels really great. This is how my skin looked from day 1, and I'll be doing my journey, and I'll be recording and taking pictures along the way. Day 1.